Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by using an administrator account because the fix requires elevated rights. Open Device Manager at once and locate the troublesome USB device. You might see code 5 or a disabled icon. Once found, disable then enable the device to force a reset of drivers, and unplug and replug using a different port or cable to rule out hardware faults. While doing this, make sure Windows is not stuck installing drivers in the background, since that can keep the device inaccessible. Next, focus on drivers and system policies, because access denied often stems from permissions or driver corruption. Uninstall the USB host controller and any problematic device drivers from Device Manager, then scan for hardware changes to reinstall clean drivers. Check group policy or registry keys that block removable storage. Change deny settings to not configured or delete restrictive values. Also, restart plug and play and related services so permission and driver changes take effect. Once done, test the device to see if access is restored. Finally, complete the repair by isolating conflicting software and confirming permissions. Boot into safe mode or perform a clean boot to see if third-party security tools are blocking access. If the device works there, selectively re-enable apps until you find the culprit. Create a fresh administrator user to verify it is not a profile-level restriction. If problems continue, consult Event Viewer for specific error entries, and, if needed, run system, restore to return to a working state. This single step often resolves subtle permission corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.